Hello and welcome to everyone. Today I will discuss about controlled environment agriculture. Controlled environment agriculture is the modification of the natural environment to increase crop yield or extend the growing season. CEA systems are typically hosted in enclosed structures such as greenhouses or buildings where control can be imposed on environmental factors including air, temperature, light, water, humidity, carbon dioxide, and plant nutrition. In vertical farming systems, CEA is often used in conjunction with soilless farming. Soilless farming techniques such as hydroponics, aquaponics, and aeroponics. Hydroponics refer to the techniques of growing plants without soil. In hydroponic systems, the root of plants are submerged in liquid solutions containing macronutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur, potassium, calcium, and magnesium, as well as trace elements including iron, chlorine, manganese, boron, zinc, copper, and molybdenum. Additionally, inert chemically inactive mediums such as gravel, sand, and sawdust are used as soil substitute to provide support for the roots. The advantages of hydroponic include the ability to increase yield per area and reduce water usage. A study has shown that compared to conventional farming, hydroponic farming could increase the yield per area of lettuce by around 11 times while requiring 13 times less water. Due to these advantages, hydroponic is the predominant growing system used in vertical farming. Aquaponics. The term aquaponic is coined by combining two words, aquaculture, which refers to fish farming, and hydroponic, the technique of growing plant without soil. Aquaponics takes hydroponic one step further by integrating the production of terrestrial plants with the production of aquatic organisms in a closed loop system that mimics nature. Nutrient rich wastewater from the fish tank is filtered by a solid removal unit and then lead to a biofilter where toxic ammonia is converted to nutritious nitrate. While absorbing nutrients, the plant then purify the wastewater, which is recycled back to the fish tanks. Moreover, the plant consumes carbon dioxide produced by the fish, and water in the fish tanks obtain heat and helps the greenhouse maintain temperature at night to save energy. As most commercial vertical farming systems focus on producing a few fast growing vegetable crops, aquaponics, which also include an aquaculture component, is currently not as widely used as conventional hydroponics. Aeroponics. The invention of aeroponics was motivated by the initiative of NASA, the National Aeronautical and Space Administration, to find an efficient way to grow plants in space in 1990s. Unlike conventional hydroponic and aquaponics, aeroponics does not require any liquid or solid medium to grow plants in. Instead, a liquid solution with nutrient is misted in air chambers where the plants are suspended. By far, aeroponic is the most sustainable soil-less growing technique as it uses up to 90% less water than the most efficient conventional hydroponic systems and requires no replacement of growing medium. Moreover, the absence of growing medium allows aeroponic systems to adopt a vertical design, which further saves energy as gravity automatically drains away excess liquid. Whereas conventional horizontal hydroponic systems often require water pumps for controlling excess solution. Currently, aeroponic systems have not been widely applied to vertical farming but are starting to attract significant attention. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.